In this short video, we will demonstrate the installation of the Cascade Rescue Terra Tamer upgrade kit to your existing Terra Tamer patient transport system. To begin, remove the wheel and place the Terra Tamer cradle on a flat surface, receiver holes facing up, and litter side down. With scissors, cut the existing ratchet straps near the two footman's loops and remove those sections of webbing and hooks. Open each ratchet strap to expose the screw. Using a 7/16 inch socket and 5/32 hex driver, remove the screws and nuts from the existing metal ratchet straps on the welded base plates and discard the ratchet assemblies. On each existing welded corner plate, use the kit's 1-inch screw, washer, and nylock nut to install the ratchet ladder strap assembly to the existing hole that fits the screw. Again, make sure that the ridges on the long ladder strap are oriented so that they will go over the top rail and back down to the ratchet and capture progress. Once tightened, the ratchet ladder straps should still rotate for use or storage as needed. Place one matching Terra Tamer clamp above and below the tube near the bend in the corners, opposite of the existing welded plates on both sides of the cradle. Place the screw through a washer, the ladder strap assembly, and the top of the clamp. Then place a top assembly and screw through the bottom clamp and onto the T-nut. Tighten and repeat with the other clamp assembly. If drilling out the rivets to remove the footman's loops, use a 3/16 metal bit to drill through each of the 4 rivets. Take care not to wallow out the drill holes. Remove the 2 footman's loops, plugs, and pins. The existing assemblies for the plug and pin can now be reinstalled with the supplied 3/16 blind steel rivets with a rivet tool. When cutting and removing the rubber to better seat the Terra Tamer clamps, first place the Terra Tamer clamps near the bends in the corners opposite of the existing welded plates on the top and bottom of the cradle. Trace their outline on the rubber. Then use a razor knife to carefully score the rubber and then remove it. Now the Terra Tamer clamps and ratchet ladder straps can be installed using the 1.5-inch screw, washer, and T-nut. Once tightened, they should also still rotate for use or storage. Once the installation is complete, recheck all 4 screws before putting into service.